In this video, you will learn basic navigation of your agent portal in NC Suits, including how to use the different icons, information tiles and menu options on the main home screen. NC Suits displays the agent portal home screen upon logging in. The home screen is divided into your main screen with several informational tiles, your left navigation panel, and your top global icons and navigation panel. During this video, we will explore each of these sections, as well as other common features. We'll begin with the top global icon and navigation panel. Your name, agent ID, agent name, and FEIN are displayed on the top of the screen. The Home button is displayed on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click this button to return to this agent portal home screen from anywhere in NC Suits. Click the previous button to return to the previous screen in NC Suits. Click the Print button to print the active screen. This is called a breadcrumb navigator. The breadcrumb displays on the top of each screen. It displays the screen name, an X icon to close the active screen, and previous and next arrows to navigate to visited screens. The Alerts and Messages box is where you can find your notifications. Messages are notifications related to your agent account, such as confirmation messages of account maintenance, wage submissions, and payments. Alerts are notifications of actions that must be completed in a timely manner. Access your messages or alerts inbox by selecting the available hyperlinks. Within this video, we will navigate to the Messages inbox. The Messages inbox displays your unread and read messages. Select the subject hyperlink to read a message. NC Suits displays the message on the agent message screen. Once the message has been read, click the Close button to return to the agent message screen, or click the Home button to return to the agent portal home screen. The home screen displays several informational tiles. The Unread Messages tile displays your unread inbox messages. Click the View More button to view your inbox. The Total Unpaid Taxes and Amount Due tile displays a breakdown of your client's payments due. Click the Make Payment button to make a payment. The Employer Wage Reports tile displays a graph of your client's wage submissions. Click the File Wages button to navigate to File Wages. The Employer Payments pie chart displays your client's paid and unpaid payments. The Quick Actions panel houses hyperlinks for common maintenance items such as changing your address, phone number, or maintaining your power of attorney, POA. The main menu options are located under the Your Options panel on the left-hand side of the screen. In this example, we have selected the Employer Lookup main menu item. On the Employer Lookup screen, you may enter search criteria to narrow the search results of your list of clients, but it is not required. You may click the Search button without entering any search criteria, as we will do in this video. Select the Employer ID hyperlink to access your client's account. NC Suits will display your client's Employer Portal home screen. For information on navigating the Employer Portal, please see the NC Suits instructional video series. By opening the Navigator feature, you may access past screens and records you have worked with previously within your portal session. The Navigator feature allows quick access to previously utilized screens. This completes the video for agent navigation. This has been a general overview of the NC Suits agent portal. For more information on the topics presented in this video, please visit des.nc.gov/ncsuits.